Namaste to all. I am Sidhika, Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Naukes College of Engineering, Hassan, Karnataka. The journey of UHV, in terms of UHV, it started for me in the year 2020. But it was there with us since the beginning. In school days, they used to teach us a subject called moral science. That was one of my favorite subjects. When they ask which is your favorite subject, when I used to take moral science, they used to teach me because it is not considered for marks or something. That is why you like it. I don't know what reason, but I used to like it a lot because some true stories which directly used to touch my feeling, able to relate whatever day to day in my life, whatever the things going on, I could get solutions from those stories. Okay, if we do so like this, it will happen, it will return to us, like that and all. So then it took a very long gap, I can say. Just now, Bhageshri Didi was discussing with me. Every one of us here, we have common problems, but we did not have a platform to discuss, search where the problem is, what the problem is, and how to tackle these things. We did not have that platform at all. Maybe there is a degree that was very much unknown to me. There is a degree in human values I didn't know only. Everybody started running towards professional degrees, medical, doctor, technical things. After we completed, okay, 2 degree, bachelor degree, master's degree. Then after, did you get the job? After getting the job, okay, how many FDPs, how many SDPs, how many workshops you attended? Everybody were in race. We too were in race. So, how many code languages you know? What are the technical aspects only we were updating. We did never get a platform to discuss openly what is happiness, what is that you need actually. Nobody asked. Including, see, we as a parents, we never ask our children what is that you actually need. Our parents also didn't ask, but at least at this point, it has opened up, and we are each one of us are very much thankful for that this platform has opened the actual heart of each one of us, to discuss, to understand each other, and to know what is the actual problem. Actually, problem lies here. We think the problem, we consider other problems. Okay, I don't have, I don't have this much bank balance to, fulfill my desires. So actually, problem is not in my bank balance. Problem is in me. So that finding out the actual problem, this platform is very much helpful for me. So my journey began like this, and after probably I was the fifth person in my institute to get the certification from UHV, and principal, not by choice, by chance, he put UHV subject to me to teach. I first time I did it because I had to do, because one FDP was required at that particular time. So we all were registering and getting it done. Then when I actually heard these sessions, started volunteering it. Then content by content, every day, same lecture you hear, but it used to get into my mind in a different way. To be frank, first time when I taught PhD, it is actually totally different than what I am teaching today. Content are same, slides I keep same, but the way I used to express was, I am very sorry, but totally different stories I had explained them. But now I am sticking on to the examples which all our senior resource person they share, and sticking on to the content very particularly. Slide I used to keep one slide, and talking I used to end in some other matter. Very different story I used to end with, and now I am not doing so. Very much very particular with the examples and the content. I am not changing all the dialogues and all. And coming to my personal life, I'm a mother of 4 girl children. I used to shout at them. I used to not understand that it is my problem because of which I'm shouting at them. I used to think these kids, we usually tell, In our generation, we were not so. These children are very notorious and they are eating us, our head and all like that. Our parents also tell, हमने ऐसे नहीं पाला था तुम लोग को, तुम लोग ऐसे नहीं काम कर रहे थे. But these days, our kids, we usually put blame on them. It is not their mistake. It is we as a parents, we have to understand that it is problem lies in us. They are children, they are meant to do so. So it is we who have to understand them and make them also understand. And I don't put arguments or statements or rule kind of a thing. Do so. Something happens, they fight with each other or even I shout. After that we sit. I make them sit and we discuss. Like अगर ये situation के पहले, if this situation has to be ended with good thing, what it would have been, so that क्या हो सकता था, क्या good possibility is what, ऐसे इसके बदल क्या कर सकते थे हम लोग. Like that I started asking them and putting these things in the form of proposal. Instead of you doing so, you could have done this so that you maintain your relationship with your sister, your mother. That is what I teach even my student. You have joined engineering institute. Before you become an engineer, become a human being. Good son to your parents, good brother to your sister, good sibling to your brothers and sisters. Then become automatically everybody is getting engineering degree. It is not at all difficult. So become a good human being first. So I thank this platform. Let us all try to be. Harmony is a word which I had not heard before this, which I am trying to explore. So everything is in harmony. We have to put ourselves in that harmonious list. Umesh Bhaiya, Rajesh Bhaiya, Ganesh Bhaiya, everybody, all the senior resource person and all the volunteers who are here, I thank each one of you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Didi. Any observation?